Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to resize an image in Illustrator without losing quality. So first of all, I'm just going to bring in a logo. Okay, so I'm gonna bring up the image trace box and I'm going to select the logo trace. Okay, so then I will click expand and then I'm going to resize it by holding down the shift key and clicking and dragging. So now if I go closer, you can see that it's been vectorized and there's no pixelation, but obviously this image trace doesn't do it perfectly. So as you can see, there's little bits that you need to fix, but other than that, it's done quite a good job. But just to let you know, when you bring an image into Illustrator to do an image trace, you have to make sure that the resolution is quite good, because if you try to bring in something that's of a low resolution, it doesn't give a good image trace. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to go to File and Place and select a logo with a low resolution. So if I select the logo trace, you'll see what I mean. Do you see how it's distorted it? And it's even removed some of the writing as well, so some of the text. So yeah, you have to just make sure that you always bring in an image with a high resolution to get the best results. Also, if you try to bring in an image that is more 3D and it has a lot of detail, it doesn't trace it very well. It works better with 2D images. Right, so let me show you. I'll go to place again and I'm going to bring up an image. It's an image of some sweets. Okay, so this time I'm going to use the 16 color trace because there's more colors and detail in this one. So and as you can see, it's taken out most of the detail and there's not much going on. And if you look at the edges, they're not very smooth, so it doesn't really work that well on that. So I think this is probably better for like 2D simple logos and stuff like that. Well, that's it guys. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you and help you out. And if there's any other things you need help with on Illustrator, just let me know and I'll do a video for that so I can help you out. Okay, until next time, see you later guys. Bye.